Hello everyone. One problem with Obsidian is that it uses markdown format, which is not actually a problem, but if you create nodes and store nodes on Obsidian, then it will only show you in a vertical format. You cannot structure your nodes like this. First node is in this side and the second node is in this side. But what if I told you now it's possible? Here's an example of what a node looks like when it is aligned horizontally into 2 or 3 columns. Here's another example of a dashboard that you can create by creating multiple columns here. This is a goal tracker, which maybe I will make a video in the future, or if not, I will provide a link in the description so that you can create something like this. So in this video, I'll show you how you can create multiple columns in Obsidian just like this to structure your nodes and make them look better. So let's begin our video. For this purpose, we'll need to install this plugin called multi-column markdown. You'll need to go to your settings, then go to community plugins, and if you have enabled shape mode, then disable it. I think you have not done it, so go to community plugins, click on browse and type here multi-column, click on install and then enable it. And now let's set up a hotkey for this so that our workflow becomes as frictionless as possible. Click on hotkey and on this multi-column markdown, insert multi-column region. Click on this customize command and let's just write Alt-C for this command. Alt-C will create a multi-column region. Now let's close this, and here we are in our new node, and let's use our hotkey Alt-C, and here we have a column region. If you go into preview mode, this will look something like this. This means that here are 2 columns. If you want to make 3 columns, you can just change the number of columns to 2, from 2 to 3. For now, you can just create either 2 or 3 columns, and here are 3 columns. Now let's write something here. Let's go to our previous node and just copy from there. Let's copy this text and paste it here, and let's copy another text from here and let's paste it here. Now we have written here 3 columns, but here are only 2 columns, because you see this is the first column ends here, and if you want to create another column, we have to write this again below this text. So we'll just paste it here and let's write another text over here. Let's copy it. Let's close this one right here. Now this is in the editing mode. If we go into preview mode, this will look something like this. We have 3 columns now. If you want to use 2 columns, you can just use 2 here and remove this one in column, just like this. Click on enter. Change it to 2 columns here. Click on preview mode and this will look something like this. You can also change some other settings here. For example, you can choose to make border off and the node will look like something like this. And there is also another setting which is shadow. Shadow and border are turned on by default, and if you want to turn them off, you will have to write this in this code block. Shadow off means this, something like this, and I want to keep the shadow on here, and your nodes will look something like this. If you go to dashboard and go to the editing mode, all of these are same. You see here I have used multi-column region here, and this is the first column ends here, second column ends here, and third column, and then another column region starts. First column ends here, then second column, then third column, and you can create columns like this on Obsidian easily. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to get more videos on Obsidian like this.